Hello! In this video, you will learn how to connect your Zoom account to your calendar in Lead Center. Lead Center integrates seamlessly with the Zoom video conferencing platform. Once connected, the system will automatically generate video conferencing details. Whenever someone books a call with you, both you and your invitee will receive the details via a confirmation email and calendar event. If you enable the Zoom Meeting Summary AI companion, notes and tasks will automatically be generated and added to the contact notes and related tasks. To connect your Zoom account, follow these steps. Go to your calendar, click on Calendar Settings, and in the Basic Details page, scroll down and click on Connect your Zoom account. If you are already logged into your Zoom account, it will simply ask for authorization. Click Allow, and your Zoom calendar will be connected. There are two additional options in the Zoom integration settings. The first option is to enable the Zoom Meeting Summary AI companion. This feature allows the system to capture meeting summaries generated by Zoom Meeting Summary AI and add them as notes linked to related appointments when enabled. The second option allows the creation of tasks from Zoom Meeting Summaries. If enabled, tasks will be automatically generated from the meeting summaries created by Zoom Meeting Summary AI companion. The tasks will be automatically added to Lead Center and assigned to you as the task owner. Let's enable this now. After connecting your Zoom account, make sure to click Save. If you want Zoom meetings to be available in the shared calendar, something we'll cover later, select this checkbox and click Save. Once connected, you can create appointments with Zoom as the meeting location. For example, if you go to Calendars and create a new appointment with a contact, Zoom will now be available as a meeting option. Let's create an appointment with this contact. For example, the subject can be Review Meeting. Select Zoom as the meeting location and choose Review as the category. Set the meeting date and time, then click Save. Once the appointment is created, you'll see that the Zoom meeting link is automatically generated and added to the appointment. Both you and the client will receive a confirmation email with the meeting details. If you check the calendar, you'll find the meeting created in your Outlook calendar with a Zoom link added to the location field. And that's how you can connect your Zoom account to Lead Center. Thank you for watching.